12 things plumber wishes we knew. Let's face it, plumbing problems occur, but here's what we should be doing to make sure we don't have to call a plumber just for small things. There are 3 P's. The only things you want to flush down the drain are pee, poop, and toilet paper. Nothing else. Wipes? No. Flushable ones? No. Clog your pipes faster than you think. Grease is your drain's worst enemy. Pouring cooking oil or grease down the sink is a recipe for disaster. It cools, hardens, and builds a nasty blockage deep in your pipes. Your garbage disposal is not a wood chipper. Avoid fibrous foods like celery, potato peels, corn husks. They tangle and jam your disposal blades. Chemical drain cleaners do more harm than good. That drip is costing you a leaking faucet, by the way, hundreds of gallons of water per year, and they drive up your bill without you even noticing it. Know where your shutoff valve is just in case of an emergency, because seconds matter. Find out now, today, right after the show, mind you, or maybe after the next show.
After the show.
Yeah, after the show and after John's show, since he's a friend. Find out where that shutoff valve is and make sure the family knows. Your water heater needs a checkup. Flushing your water heater once a year actually helps prevent the buildup and extends its life. Plumbing fixtures have a lifespan. Rubber seals, washers, hoses don't last forever. A little maintenance now prevents floods later. Toilets are not toys. Kids love experimenting, but keep them away from toilets. A DIY isn't always cheaper. A simple fix can quickly become a bigger and pricier repair, especially if you want to change, like if your toilet is leaking, because the stopper is not working properly, and you try to change that yourself, you could create it. Not that I'm advising not to try it yourself, but you could create a bigger problem. Low water pressure can be a real flag that something is going wrong, especially if you had high water pressure and then all of a sudden it disappears. And be honest about what happened. Plumbers are not there to judge. So tell the truth about what went down the drain, and that will help the plumbers fix it faster and cheaper, even if you're embarrassed. Yes, I'm going to say it, even if you're embarrassed about what went down the drain. All right, 12 things plumber wishes we knew. Hopefully now you know, and the plumbers are happy.